Shubor nakaslem jong unongsan hima.
UMDC Kamalem constituency uba Roni V Lingdo habakren bagi nong thok hubor ulaong kaseng Congress kalapan remjur yake jingsha thombor bat punjuror yang ki jaka mane belai haga jilla Chhattisgarh kabala jia hagini ki khndiat sngi bala dem agal yang uni nongelam kaseng Congress ulaong baka sarkar pedeng kadai ban penshitom tak penting yang ki tu ki badan keti ulaong ru ban agal yang kaseng Congress kalada ban pha daga jingtho sha menteri rangba ka jilla Chhattisgarh ban pej bakum kini ki jingjia kinam jiashu bat ban penshitom ye ki to ki badan keti ha kene ka kam ula kinturu ya menteri ki tanat ki kampo yeng ke sarkar pedeng u Amit Shah badru yu menteri rangba adu kari Narendra Modi ban pej bakum kini ki jingjia kinam jiashu ye ki to ki kinhon red pat ha ke jilla bad ha kari hi baro ka wei.
It happened in Chhattisgarh where a church was vandalized and we would like to we would like to condemn this act of vandalism, of atrocities against religious minorities, and we'd like to urge all the authorities concerned, right from the Government of India, Government of Chhattisgarh, to take strict action against the culprits and arrest them and punish them as per the law of the land. And we express our sympathy, we share our sorrow with the brethren in Chhattisgarh, Jabalpur, who had to face this atrocity, discrimination by the anti-social elements, who've even had the courage, temerity to vandalize a religious place. For the Christian community, that is a very, very sacred place. And this only shows the extent of the hate that is being spread in the country, and that's exactly what our leader Rahul Gandhi is trying to ensure, that this hate doesn't spread. Now its spread is come even to the extent of physically attacking the Christian minorities there, vandalizing the church there. Only shows to what extent this hatred has percolated in the country, where minorities who are very vulnerable, who have no means of protection, are being attacked, discriminated upon, physically attacked. So we express, with very deep concern, all these attacks on minorities, and we would like to request the Home Minister of the country, Shri Amit Shah ji, to take action against the culprits and punish them, and we would like to request even our Honorable Prime Minister to ensure that there is protection for the religious minorities, for the Dalits, for the tribals of this country. So we live in a secular country where everyone has the right enshrined in the Article 25 of the Constitution, religious freedom. And this only shows that that is being attacked. The Constitution is being assaulted. In fact, we are afraid that we will no longer get protection as per laws and acts enshrined in the Constitution.
Hakabaya day but kashiti kabara tho da USP na kajilla Assam pan pawa jingtip halor ka jingdon jongki ying mani nakaliang jong ba Roni V Lingdo ulaong bakumno USP unla ban pawa jingtip klem da yo jingbet na ka sarkar nena DGP ulaong ru bakani ka paw bahaman la ki jilla ki bala sanshar da ka BJP ki pat ba red pat ki yakendo shibon ki jinge but kim long shngai.
How can the Chief Minister or the DG of Assam will come out that they don't know anything about this letter? Can that be accepted? No. You see, who is SP? SP is such a responsible person that has been entrusted to look after the law and that particular district. Am I correct? Number one. Number two, if that letter has come from him, do you think that he will be such a fool as SP to issue a letter without the blessing of the DG and without the knowledge of the Chief Minister? You see? So you cannot deny on this. That all has been known by the top authority. So just to deny that DG doesn't know anything and the Chief Minister doesn't know anything about that letter, that is very wrong. You cannot hide any more about that. You
see, if it is done, of course, the Chief Minister of Assam is denied. which only shows that something is wrong. If the officers can do whatever they like without the knowledge of the executive, the government, it only shows then that the Chief Minister of Assam is not responsible, not acting responsibly, which is not possible at all that he escapes his knowledge. No officer would dare go against the government on such kind of activities. So this only indicates where the BJP is ruling, minorities, religious or minorities are not safe. Now, are we living in a secular country or are we living in a theocratic country? So all this indicates we are living in a theocratic country where it is no longer secular.